Thank you, sir. We are honored to have you preside over this prestigious event. ਹੁਣ ਮੈਂ ਬੇਨਤੀ ਕਰਾਂਗਾ ਕਿ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਸਪਾਊਸਿਸ ਆਏ ਆ ਨਾਲ ਉਹ ਉੱਥੇ ਕ੍ਰਿਕਟ ਗਰਾਊਂਡ 'ਚ ਜਾ ਸਕਦੇ ਆ. So we have started games, kite flying is there, tambola is there, musical chairs games are there, and then we have chaat, papdi, tikki stalls is also available over there. Thank you. Coming on next, we feel extremely privileged to have with us our chief guest, Engineer Jitin Talwarji, 2001 pass out mechanical, founder of TT Consultants, Excel Scout, CRLA, and Talwar Advocates, a distinguished legal tech entrepreneur. He is with us today. From PEC classrooms to global boardrooms, his journey reflects courage, creativity, and commitment. He presents the modern Pecosian, technically strong, entrepreneurially bold, socially responsible. Sir, your achievement inspires thousands of young minds. Your presence today adds immense value to this gathering. We thank you sincerely for accepting our invitation. Engineer Jitin Talwarji, a big round of applause for him. He is running a company, as already told before. 35 PEC alumni are working with him. And today also he has signed an MOU with PEC. He will be taking around 20 students or 30 students per year as per his requirement. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Oberoi ji. Thank you. So, भाटिया जी, सर, आपने एक शेर से ख़त्म किया था अपना, तो शेर का जवाब यूजुअली शेर से दिया जाता है, which should also reflect our journey as well. तो मिर्ज़ा गालिब का शेर है कि हज़ारों ख्वाहिशें ऐसी कि हर ख्वाहिश में दम निकले, बहुत निकले मेरे अरमा फिर भी कम निकले. तो पर इसकी अगली दो लाइनें मैं नहीं बोलूँगा. जो गालिब को जानते हैं वो समझ सकते हैं क्या नहीं बोलना मैंने. उसका बिल्कुल ऑपोजिट है. बट सो प्रोफेसर भाटिया, प्रोफेसर कांडा, मनीष जी, ओब्रॉय जी, हमारे सीनियर, ऑल ऑफ यू, माय वाइफ कोमल, डॉक्टर एल.डी. गर्ग इधर थे हमारे जब यहाँ पर काउंसलिंग हुई, ही वाज अ पार्ट ऑफ इट. आई हैव टू एक्नॉलेज हिज प्रेजेंस. Also, all the respected other professors who are here, thank you. With that, I'll just start my speech. आप please इसको play कर दीजिए. So it's a great honor to be here. It's an incredible honor to be standing here in front of all of you. Some of you are my friends. Most of you are seniors. Some are juniors as well. I have to be honest. Looking out at all of you, it does not feel like 25 years have gone by. It feels like it was just yesterday that we were all having our counseling session with Professor Garg, taking our counseling, giving us admission. All of us were there. We've also, it's almost yesterday that one was going through this whole emotion of tha when the speeches got too long. So I will be mindful not to have the speech being carried on for too long and finish it off in earnest. And now, a quarter of century later, after we've graduated, I have to be careful not to be at the receiving end and quickly finish this off as soon as these guys are able to figure out these slides. So PEC has always shaped our life in ways and means that I did not realize at the time. It started right from PECFest. That's where we got a crash course in managing chaos and handling difficult and very talented people. A skill that, let's be honest, is probably the most useful in any career. Then was the Speakers Club that I was very, very involved with, which gave me skills for town halls and, more importantly, taught me how to keep a straight face in front of folks like my friends at the back who are trying to make me laugh. But most of all, it was also the peer pressure. Not the negative kind, but the kind that came from being surrounded by the brightest minds. It was the pressure to stay ahead of the wave of AI, like for example these days, to create a niche that wasn't in the league and to ensure that you don't end up with a wasted life. And that fear, that drive was a gift which brought me to the next beautiful line. कहते हैं शौक होते हैं हर उम्र में जुदा, पहले खिलौने, फिर माशूका, फिर रुतबा, फिर खुदा. So we are kind of in between. अब आप डिसाइड कर लीजिए आप चारों में कहाँ फॉल करते हैं. एवरीबडी इज गॉट देयर ओन जर्नी. पहले खिलौने, फिर माशूका, फिर रुतबा, फिर खुदा. Desires change with every stage of life. First toys, then love, ambition, then something higher. And that's exactly how it has all been for all of us. At Peck, it was grades and placements. Then it became careers, building something. And now, 25 years later, it's all about purpose and endowment. It's about leaving something behind that matters. Each phase demanded everything we had, and each phase has prepared us for the next. I actually chose a very different path from most of my friends and peers. Since I decided to pursue law, I'll be candid. Partly it was because of subtle refuse from something which was non core. I didn't want to be in the pure mechanical field, so it was non core. But in the patent law, it provided just the right opportunity to pursue both. It allowed me to stay connected to technology and also to innovation.
This must be your battery.
This is my friend Ashish Goel just saying that. It allowed me to stay connected to technology, innovation, but also to approach it from a different angle. It turned out to be a logical, structured thinking which we learned from PEC that helped create a perfect foundation for a reasonable journey of an entrepreneurship ahead. The journey started very small, 1600 rupees, from a simple idea to a major technology with legal expertise. The small idea grew into TTC Group, which today includes TTC, Talwar Advocate, Center for Research in Legal Tech and AI, and our AI platform Excel Scout, which is almost a team of almost 600 people across the globe, with offices across 9 major international locations, including Mohali, Tokyo, Bay Area, DC, and Toronto. What we are building from here is creating for global markets in semiconductors, in software, in AI and telecom, and creating AI in these areas for taking the research forward. And that's what we are doing now. We are in the age of a narrative which often is talking about job losses. However, if we reach along with the wave and we ride the wave, actually jobs can be created. And that's what we've established, the Center for Research in Legal Tech and AI. It's at our campus in Mohali. One of them is in Toronto. The other one is in IIT Madras. Our goal is not just to do cutting edge research, but also with the purpose of creating new jobs in AI right here from Tri-City and other cities in the world. But that's just a beginning. We like to look to the next 25 years. The entire narrative of legal intellectual property is being rewritten by artificial intelligence. Legal tech is no longer a niche, it's a core. That's why it's important to study 2 or 3 different areas now, not just study technology, but also study liberal arts, study philosophy, along with technology. That's very important as well. I spent some time at Oxford University as a Chevening Gurukul Fellow, which was also transformative. It wasn't just an academic exercise, it was a deep dive into AI for good. The global governance, ethical frameworks which are needed in the new era of artificial intelligence. Taught me how building AI is just not enough. We must build responsible artificial intelligence, the systems that keep that in place. With this mission, we set up Center for Research in Legal Tech and AI. We are now taking this vision global. We've already expanded this into Chennai, Toronto, and Abu Dhabi, and we are expanding our Center for Research in Legal Tech and AI in Chandigarh with the help of the MOU that we've signed. So as we move forward, this commitment comes directly from values that were instilled in us right here, right in these environments, and it's about giving back to the institution. My proudest achievement is not a business metric. It's not how many people we've hired. It's not anything else. My proudest achievement is being honored as the Alumni of the Year in 2018. And that brought a lot of values of giving back to the institution. एक कदम पे तुम थे, एक कदम पे हम थे. जैसे जैसे चलते गए तो कदम और कदम बढ़ते गए. Looking back, the decision to pursue law, which was initially a refuge for a non-core exercise, was a different path, and the destination was the same that we all share: a desire to build, a desire to innovate, a desire to solve problems. PEC gave us those tools, and it's been a privilege of a lifetime to use them to serve, create impact, and create technology which the world is using. I leave you with something that I already spoke to Professor Bhatia about earlier, that has stayed me through every chapter of my journey. And that's about living life. That's about living life to the fullest. And it's the same. हजारों ख्वाहिशें ऐसी कि हर ख्वाहिश पे दम निकले, बहुत निकले मेरे अरमां फिर भी कम निकले. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir. Now I will request Director Peck and President Pakosa to come and honor our chief guest of today. Now I will request our chief guest and President Pakosa to honor our Director Peck, Dr. Rajesh Bhatia, sir.
In my own institution.
Yes, sir. Sir, your patron Pakosa also. Now we have few more dignitaries to be honored. Sir, please stand here. Now I will request Engineer Rajiv Gupta ji, IAS. He is here at the moment? IAS, sir. Engineer Rajiv Gupta exemplifies the integration of engineering and public administration. His dedication to governance, integrity and social responsibility reflects the finest tradition of PEC. He has recently helped PEC financially for building new girls' common room. A big round of applause for him. Thank you, sir. Now I will request Engineer Uma Shankar, IAS. Sir, he is here.
Yeah, easy.
He is also a pass out of 1996 production. He is currently holding the charge of Director Rural Development at Panchayat Punjab. Engineer Uma Shankar's distinguished service in public administration highlights the power of ethical engineering. His encouragement to students to serve society through innovation is deeply valued. A big round of applause for Engineer Uma Shankar. Now I will request Engineer O.P. Goyal ji, 1956 alumni. A big round of applause for Engineer O.P. Goyal ji. He is completing 70 years of service. Not only this, he is paying PECOSA 1 lakh rupees for the needy student for the last more than 10 years. He is a legendary civil engineering and former Director General CPWD. Engineer O.P. Goyal's career symbolizes excellence in infrastructure development and professional relations. Now I will request Engineer Harpratap Singh Aujla, PEC 1966, to come on stage. Engineer Harpratap Singh Aujla is a senior civil and water resources engineer with over 3 decades of distinguished professional experience in India and US. He serves with the government of New Jersey. Harjap Singh Aujla. A big round of applause for Engineer Harjap Singh Aujla ji. I wish to inform the House that 60 years we have more than 50 plus participation for today's event. Now I will request Engineer Gurpal Singh Ratan sir, PEC 1971 Mechanical. I will request Engineer Gurpal Singh Ratanji, PEC Mechanical 1971 to come on stage. He is a seasoned business leader with over 45 years of experience in leading techno-commercial functions across major engineering multinational, including the Tata Group. Big round of applause for Engineer Gurpal Singh Ratanji. Now I will request Major General Balwinder Singh ji. ये लगा जल्दी लगा मेजर जनरल बलविंदर सिंह लगा दो Major General Balwinder Singh is of 1976 mechanical. His distinguished military service and dedication to culture heritage exemplifies leadership, discipline and national service. Now I will request Engineer Anup Chauhan, PEC 1981 to come on stage. Engineer Anup Chauhan is 1981 passed out in civil engineering. He is a retired civil chief engineer with PWD Haryana residing in Chandigarh. He is also President in Chief All India Rajput Student and Society since 2017 and National Vice President of Akhil Bharatiya Kshatriya Mahasabha. He has been working with Maharana Pratap Hotel in hostel spread over 1.5 acre in Sector 25 for accommodating 400 students all over for preparing UPSC and all other examinations. Also, his society gives scholarship worth rupees 6 to 7 lakh every year for the needy students all over India. A big round of applause, and I must not miss his wife Savina Sood. Madam Savina Sood is 84 batch civil. She is also present over there. Thank you, sir. Now I will request Engineer Dharinder Tayal, sir. 1986 production, a successful entrepreneur, a public leader. He has contributed significance to industry, education, governance while remaining deeply connected to the PEC. A successful entrepreneur and a public leader. Welcome, sir. A big round of applause for Engineer Dharinder Tayal, sir. Now I will request Engineer Gurpratap Boparai, sir. He is there? 1991. Engineer Gurpratap Boparai. Then Anurag sir is also not there. I will request Shri Engineer Divya Kamalji, 1991, Mechanical. She is Executive Director HIIDC. Shri Divya Kamal has dedicated his career to industrial development and governance reforms, strengthens Haryana's economic ecosystem. Engineer Divya Kamalji. A big round of applause for Engineer Divya. Then from 2006 we have Engineer Angrej Singh. Engineer Angrej Singh. Engineer Angrej Singh is there? Okay. I think he is not there. Engineer Amanpreet Singh Mavi, 2011 pass out. He is gold medalist electrical 2011. Engineer Amanpreet Singh Mavi. He is also not there. Then I will request, we have few distinguished alumni with us today. First of all, I will request Engineer Sanjeev Bhavnani ji to come on stage. He is also our NCR head. He is PAC graduate from 1983 pass out, and he has over 40-year experience with leading IT companies, and he was declared as Distinguished Alumni PAC in 2017. A big round of applause for Engineer Sanjeev Bhavnani. And today we also have a special guest in Dr. Jasveer Singh Gill of Alert Enterprises US. He is also with us. He is 1979 pass out, and he has a big companies in widely known as a pioneer in security technology and AI transformation, building Alert Enterprises at an intersection of identity. A big round of applause for engineer. Then, as we told earlier also to you that we lost our class fellow of 1993, engineer Avneet Arora. She was born in 1972. Her husband has specially come, engineer Sarabjit Singh. I wish to inform that her husband has donated 11 lakh rupees for two number EWS students in her memory. Engineer Avneet Arora. She died due to cancer in 2025 March. I think he. Okay. Then we have our special contributor, Engineer Sarabjit Singh Virk. Sarabjit Singh Virk is 2003 alumnus of PAC in production engineering, and he is managing director, co-founder of Finvasia Group. Then we have Engineer Pratap Agarwal. He is here or not? Then Engineer Sunil Taneja ji. Engineer Sunil Taneja. He is also our contributor. I think he is not available today. Then Engineer Pankaj Gupta is also not available. Engineer Anil Sehgal. He is available or not? Then our special contributor, Engineer Dalip Maudgil, advisor Omax Group, PAC 1980 Civil. A big round of applause for him. He is elder brother of our Vice President, Engineer Sanjeev Maudgil. He is also sponsor of today's event. Thank you, sir. Then we have engineers Anil Bhatia, 1993. Anil Bhatia is available? I think he has not come. So, now we have the PECOSA awards to the students, and today we have selected 31 students, and various batches have contributed for this. First of all is our 1968 Golden Jubilee Alumni Scholarship. They have given 58 lakhs to the PECOSA, and from the interest of the corpus, every year 8 students. देता हूँ ये देखो पहले आप जो मैं नाम बोल रहा हूँ ना नाम बोल रहा हूँ 2 सेकंड ये पकड़ो इंजीनियर हर्षित सिंह 1968 Golden Jubilee Award for Harshit Singh Electronics. Then we have Bhavishya Arora from Mechanical Branch, 1968 Golden Jubilee Alumni Scholarship. A big round of applause for all these students and also for 1968 batch. Then we have Manya Gupta, she is not present. Then Aniket Tiwari, Aeronautical. Aditya Garg, Metallurgy. Vishwajit Singh Rawat, he is not there. So Aditya Dwivedi. A big round of applause for these all students. Then we have Aryan Patil, 1961 Batch Award, Stationery and Books Award for 12,000 rupees from the corpus of 1961 batch. Aryan Patil, Electrical, Vanchika Gupta, Mechanical, Vikas Atri, Production. Then we have Nirmal Bhatia Scholarship for two needy students, Vanchika and Prabnur Basra. Nirmal Bhatia Scholarship. This is constituted by our 1993 batch alumni, Mr. Anil Bhatia, Principal General Manager, BSNL. Then we have Pekosa Sydney Awards, Prabnur Singh Basra, Ravi Kumar, Bhuvan Goyal, Anush Singh Bisht. Then we have Professor Gyan Singh Banga Award, two awards for Animesh Rajak and Aryan Rajan Singh. Then we have the best data science, best sportsperson of the year award, sportsman and sportswoman award. This is Engineer Aday Kadia, in the memory of Engineer Aday Kadia. He is 1985 pass out and he is no more with us today. And in his memory, two awards of 7,500 rupees to Daksh Sharma and Anshika. Then we have 1973 award to CSC girl Pavni Gupta. This is from the corpus of interest of corpus from the 1973 batch. Then we have Avneet Memorial Award. Recently I have told you about that also. Avneet Memorial Award to the two electrical girls, Anshu Rashi and Kashish Jindal. Avneet Memorial Scholarship for 20,000 each for Anshu Rashi and Kashish Jindal. Then we have Squadron Leader Suprabha, in the memory of her father, our alumni member Mridula ma'am. Mridula ma'am is here? Ma'am, please come on stage. Jaspartik Kaur and Aditi Trehan. Jaspartik Kaur and Aditi Trehan. Now we have recently constituted.
Just a correction over here. This scholarship is in the name of my mother, who was the second lady to join Indian Air Force, and she is Squadron Leader Dr. Mrs. S. Suprabha Grover.
Now we have YP Sood Award, Engineer Sood of 1976. And his son is also here, if he can join us. YP Sood Award for Mokshi Sharma, Bianca Soni, Himanshi. Now I will request Engineer Amanpreet Singh Mavi to come on stage. He is 2011 batch gold medalist. He has just joined. Amanpreet Singh Mavi.